Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tahir. So today I wanted to talk about what is called Occam's razor. But first let me show you my razor. Yes, I use this for shaving my beautiful head. But today what I want to talk to you about is Mr. William Occam. Today's Motivator talks about simplifying, and what Occam's razor is about is taking a simple idea and taking what is simple and making it the solution for the day. Charlie Munger says, take a simple idea and then take it seriously. What that means is that today as you go forward, the week you go forward, the months you go forward, there are simple ideas. This could be related to relationships, this could be related to efficiency, this could be related to financial, this could be related to physical, spiritual. But until you take that idea simply, it's not going to work. Einstein says any intelligent fool can make things bigger than they are, more complex than they are. But it takes a touch of genius to make this simpler or to go in the opposite direction. So if you think about it, Steve Jobs took something that was complex, made it simple. Even his Apple website is very simple. If you think of Google, they took something that was complex that Yahoo was doing and simply made it into a one-line search engine. And look where they are now. Prime examples. Charlie Munger says, majority of life's errors happen because we forget what we are really trying to do. So if you think about that, why do we forget something that we're trying to do today? It's because there's lots of things that are coming at us, and the decision making sometimes will paralyze us. So today's topic was about simplifying decision making. And Occam's razor, William Occam, said that when presented with a bunch of options, the simplest solution is most correct. So let's repeat that. When you are presented with many options, the simplest solution is most correct. That means making decisions more complex and excessively looking for complex solution when the simple solution is right in front of you is the wrong way to go. What this does for you, it allows you to make decision making rapid. It also allows you to make the decision faster. So if you are incorrect and you are going in the incorrect path, you are able to make adjustments. Even in physics, I read that universe tends to go towards simplicity. Physicists use the knowledge that everything uses the minimum energy necessary to function. So what that means for us is, what can we do today that will require the minimum energy to make a decision so we can move forward and faster? Medical doctors taught in residency are taught to look for the simplest causes because those are usually the correct diagnosis. And there's a saying in the residency which is that when you hear hoof beats behind you, don't think that they are zebras, they are most likely horses, right? So if you hear something that sounds like horses, don't think that they are zebras. They probably are horses. So how many times throughout the day we are faced to a decision, faced with a decision, and we simply know that the simple is better, but we always start thinking, overthinking, overanalyzing. Another way to think about this is that when you are given two dots and somebody asks you to connect that into a straight line, you can go from point A to point B, but there are a million other ways to do it. There are many of us who will then sit there and think of the many different ways we can connect it when the line between two dots is very simple, connected with a simple line. Even the students are taught that the first answer in your test is usually correct, so don't overthink it. So today's message is about simplifying. One way to simplify is to take all the stuff that's coming to us and make a faster decision about it. And once you made a decision about it, move towards that path. That is what I personally do, and that is what I recommend that you do. Hopefully these little videos are helpful for you. I appreciate you listening and taking the time to look at these, and please provide feedback. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.